Red Tea Detox Recipes to Lose Weight Fast. Regular exercise and eating a balanced diet are two of the most common ways by which you can lose weight. But did you know that there is another increasingly popular natural way to shed those extra pounds fast? Consuming detox drinks is indeed one of those ways. We will focus on using red tea to help you detoxify and tone down your excess body fat. The African Red Tea. The African Red Tea is the type of red tea that is usually used for detox drinks. This type of tea is mostly found in the South African redbush and is caffeine-free. While rooibos can come in green or red form, what makes this perfect for weight loss is that it has low calories and is naturally sweet. Hence, you wouldn't be tempted to add sugar to your drink. Calorie content of red tea. For every 8-ounce serving of African red tea, you will only get 2 calories. So instead of consuming a cream soda that has 126 calories, you can just drink 8 ounces of this healthy herbal tea and have a deficit of 124 calories. Give it a try and see if it works for you. Good luck to you. Thank you for watching. Please share with your friends and please subscribe to our channel if you haven't already done so.